End-to-end encryption happens when the data is encrypted by the sender and only decrypted by the recipient. This is a desired form of encryption for data in transit for maximum protection of the data if you wish to avoid tracking, global mass surveillance, hackers, and so on. The use of HTTPS security on all websites is becoming increasingly important regardless of the type of data that is being sent. As we go into more details on how tracking, mass surveillance, and browser hacking happens, you will understand more and more the importance of end-to-end encryption. Examples of end-to-end encryption technology includes things like PGP, S-MIME, OTR, which is off the record, or ZRTR, which is Z and Real-Time Transport Protocol, as well as SSL and TLS implemented in the right way. Those can be end-to-end. Companies that develop software that use end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge systems cannot reveal the details of the communication to your adversary, even if coerced, even if they wanted to. That is the benefit of end-to-end encryption with zero knowledge. We cover examples of this type of software throughout the course, but examples include the messaging software Signal, ChatSecure, CryptoCat, and others. If everyone used end-to-end encryption for all traffic, everyone's traffic would look the same. When only some people use end-to-end encryption, those people that use end-to-end encryption stand out as different. End-to-end encryption offers protection in transit, but obviously does not offer protection for data once it is received. You need a different protection mechanism. So use end-to-end encryption wherever possible.